Dear children, again I am coming in front of you through the screen for the second time. So, I welcome you all back to the basic grammar class part 2. Last class, I taught you auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Under helping verb, we had seen three headings: be form, do form, and have form. Once again, I am refreshing you. Under be form, present tense, first person singular am, plural or, second person singular or, plural or, third person singular is, plural or. Under be form past tense, first person singular was, plural were, second person singular were, plural were, third person singular was, plural were. Under do form present tense, first person singular do, plural do, second person singular do, plural do, third person singular does, plural do. Under do form past tense, first person singular did, plural did, second person singular did, plural did, third person singular did, plural did. Under have form present tense, first person singular have, plural have, second person singular have, plural have, third person singular has, plural have. Under have form past tense, first person singular had, plural had, second person singular had, plural had, third person singular had, plural had. Today, I am going to teach you the continuation of the pronouns, that is second heading, object personal pronouns. Under this heading also we are going to see in three persons: first person singular me, first person plural us, second person singular you, second person plural you, third person singular him, her, it, and third person plural them. For example, he gave me 10 apples. Let us go to the market. The matter is between you and me. Tell her to do it. The police caught him. Please return it to me. Give them their books. The third heading under pronouns is possessive pronouns. Under this heading also we are going to see in three persons: the first person singular mine, first person plural ours, second person singular yours, second person plural yours, third person singular his, hers, its, and third person plural theirs. For examples, this book is mine, that car is ours, that dog of yours is ferocious, this house is his, this bag is hers, this garden is theirs. The next important concept in basic grammar is possessive adjectives. Under this heading, first person singular is my, first person plural is our, Second person singular is your. Second person plural is also your. Third person singular is his, her, its. And third person plural is their. For example, my book, our school, your dog, his house, her bag, their car. So far, I have taught you the auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. The next main concept under verb is principal verb or main verb. Under this heading, we have four important concepts. That is, the first one is root form or present tense. The second one is past tense. And the third one is present participle. And the fourth one is past participle. Among these four concepts, present participle is easily formed. Students will not find any difficulties in forming the present participle because any main verb which is formed with the suffix ing is called present participle. Generally, students will not find any difficulties in making the present participle. The rest of the other three concepts, students may find difficulty in making the words. There are three types of words under principal verb or main verbs. For example, bet, bet. The word bet in present tense it is bet, past tense it is bet, and past participle also bet. Again, burst, root form is burst, past tense is burst, and past participle is also burst. Third one, cost, root form is cost, past tense is cost, and past participle is also cost. Cut, root form is cut, past tense is cut, and past participle cut. Fifth one, hit, root form is hit, past tense is hit, past participle is also hit. Next one, hurt, root form is hurt, past tense is hurt, past participle also hurt. Next one, put, root form is put, past tense is put, and past participle also put. Next one, read, root form is read, past tense is read, and past participle is also read. Next one, shut, root form is shut, past tense is shut, past participle is also shut. Next one, split, root form is split, past tense is split, and past participle is also split. The next one, spread, root form is spread, past tense is spread, and past participle is also spread. These are the words is the first kind, the first type, that is root form, past tense and past participle remain the same in spellings. The second sets of words under main verb is a little difference. Among the root form, past tense and past participle, any one is different, two remains the same. For example, beat. In this word, beat beat is in root form. Beat beat is in past tense. Beaten beaten is in past participle. Here, root form and past tense are same, but past participle is different. Look at the second word, bend, bent, bent. Here, bend is in root form. Bent bent and bent, both past tense and past participle remain the same. So in this type, if root form is different, past tense and past participle will remain the same. If past tense is different, root form and past participle will remain the same. If past participle is different, root form and past tense will remain the same. Look at the words, the third words. Become, became, become. There is a wrong spelling in the past participle. It should be become. Here, past tense is different. Root form and past participle are same. Look at the next words. Bring, brought, brought. Here, root form is different. Past tense and past participle are same. Next one, build, built, built. The next one, buy, bought, bought. The next word, catch, caught, caught. The next word, deal, dealt, dealt. The next word, dig, dug, dug. The next word, feed, fed, fed. The next word, feel, felt, felt. The next word, fight, fought, fought. The next word, find, found, found. So students, today we'll stop here. We'll continue the next thing in the next class. Thank you.